Welcome to our online portal. Myself Satish Verma. So let's start. What is electric charge and what is mass? First of all, we will discuss what is electric charge. Electric charge is intrinsic properties of elementary particles only, nothing more than this. Electric charge is a intrinsic property of elementary particle, whereas mass is the amount of substances for a body is called a mass. And we will discuss what is a basic difference of electric charges and mass. So first difference between them is electric charge may be positive, negative or a zero. Electric charge may be positive, negative or zero, whereas mass of a body always positive. Understand? Once again repeat. Electric charge may be positive, negative or a zero, whereas mass of a body were always positive. Okay. 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 Elect for electric charge always quantized. Q बराबर Na. Q is equal to Na. Electric charge always quantized. Q is equal to Na. And quantization of mass is not yet stabilized. It means that for another substances, for example, mass, for every different substances have a different quantized for mass. It means that quantization vary for mass, but electric charge always quantized. Which examples? This is a formula of Q is equal to Na, where Q is the charges, N is the number of charge. Now, N is number of charge is electron. It means the charge of electron. Okay. Okay. Charges on a body does not depend upon its speeds. For electric charges, charge on a body does not depend upon its speed, whereas mass of a body increase with increased speeds. In electric charge it does not depend on its speeds. So its speeds does not depend on the charge, so its charge will be constant, whereas mass is variable with increased speeds. If the increase of speed of an object, then object mass will be also increases. Okay. Next is fourth. What is next? Okay. For electric charges, charge is strictly conserved, whereas mass is not conserved itself. So it is very simple. So what's next? Fifth. Okay. For electrostatic force between two charges may be attractive or repulsive. It means that if two charges lying between some distance, then the force experience otherwise attractive or repulsive. But in the mass, gravitational force between two masses are always attractive. Does not it is not repulsive. Only it has a property of attractive. Okay. Again repeated it. For electric charges, electrostatic force between two charges may be attractive or repulsive, otherwise does not is be neutral, only attractive or repulsive. In the gravitational force between two masses are always attractive, it are not repulsive. So 6. What is 6? For electric force, sorry, for electric charge, electrostatic force between different charges may be cancelled out if two charges same and but magnitude is negative and one is positive. Okay. Magnitude have same and sign is a changes, one is positive and another is negative, then it will be cancelled out, whereas gravitational force between different bodies never cancel out. For different bodies the mass have never cancel out. Okay. And last our topic last number is 7 and 7. Okay. For electric charges, a charged body always possesses some mass. Okay. A charged body always possesses some mass, but for a mass, a body possessing mass may not have any net charge. So in this case of mass, having containing mass, it does not necessary that it have a charge, have a net charge, sorry, have a net charge. But in the case of electric charge, it always have some mass. Okay, that our topic will be ended. So now next topics we will discuss in another lecture video. So thanks, bye.